Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to export your data from the Data tab. So I'm in my map, I'm on my Data tab. Export data is right here on the left-hand side. Once here, you can choose XLSX, TSV, or CSV, or you can copy the data to a clipboard. I'm going to export now. And we see it started in my download for my browser, and I can simply click that to open up the spreadsheet. I'm going to see every column in this data and every line in this data. And that's how you export your data from the Data tab. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.